This is the Roku Express 4K Plus, which is another smart device that turns any TV or monitor into a media-capable device. This too, like a lot of others, is an Android-based device, and it features a clean and simple interface that is quite easy to navigate. As the product name suggests, it is capable of an output of 4K resolution. The plus in the name simply refers to the fact that the included remote is equipped with a microphone, which means it can receive and recognize voice commands. As the texts on the box say, this is indeed one of the more popular, if not the most popular, streaming device in the United States. I do already see some sellers of the Roku line of devices in local e-commerce platforms, but I'm not sure how many users there are already here in the Philippines. This particular unit I was able to order from Amazon US. Check out the affiliate links in the video description below, both for Amazon US and for Lazada and Shopee PH if you're interested in getting yourself one. Inside the box, we have this, product leaflet and a quick start guide. Over here, we have the male HDMI to male HDMI connector cable for the audio and video output, and the micro USB, slightly disappointing, the USB-A cable for powering the device. A power brick is provided to power the Roku device via wall outlet, but you can also opt to use the USB-A end of the power cable and connect it to any USB-A port that provides 5V power. Here's the remote with your standard buttons and functions, as well as the direct buttons to your most common streaming services. We have here this double-sided adhesive that you can use to stick the Roku device at the bottom or side of your TV set. I say bottom and side only and not at the back of your TV set because, as you can see here on the Roku device itself, it seems to be using IR or infrared to maintain the communication with the remote, maybe at least for some of its functions. This area here seems to be where the double-sided adhesive is to be placed. On this side, you can see the HDMI port, micro USB port, and the reset button. That's it for this unboxing video of the Roku Express 4K Plus streaming device. Make sure to click that like and subscribe button to show support for my channel. Watch out for another future video wherein I'll be unboxing the latest version of the Google Chromecast, which is actually the current streaming device that I am using with my TV set. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in my next video.